Hey there, scrapper people. As you can see, we're doing some noodles. I'm going to show you the easiest way I found to get these off. As you can see, grab a hold of them and you pull them. You sometimes have a hard time getting them off. So the easiest way I've seen, or I found, if you crimp them, like so. Yes, it takes a little bit longer, but you're not sitting there fighting them. And maybe in the long run, it'd end up being a little quicker, depending on how long you got to fight them. But you crimp them like this. Then you turn around and you crimp them again. Like that. Then you come around and you grab a hold of them and they pop out. Sometimes you might have to fight one of them, but look how easy that one fell out. Just falls out. Falls out. That one I didn't crimp, but I crimped a little. These two here never crimped, but they're close enough. Sometimes they might fall out. Let's see, that one didn't fall out. So hopefully that helps on taking these noodles off. And if you liked the video, go check my others out at Mark Scrapper 36. And I try to do different things and bring different stuff out. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.